A multi-city trip can be an exciting way to explore multiple destinations in one journey, but without proper planning, it can quickly become overwhelming. The key to a smooth experience is strategic planning, choosing the right cities, mapping out transportation, and optimizing your itinerary. Here's a step-by-step guide to planning a seamless multi-city trip. Step 1. Choose your destinations wisely. Start by selecting cities that make sense logistically. Consider proximity, transportation options, and travel time between locations. Group cities that are easily connected by direct flights, trains, or short drives to minimize travel fatigue. Step 2. Plan your route efficiently. Once you have your cities, decide on the best route. A circular route, where you start and end in the same place, is often the most cost-effective. Alternatively, an open-jaw route, flying into one city and out of another, can save time and allow for a more flexible itinerary. Step 3. Book transportation in advance. Flights, trains, and buses fill up quickly, especially on popular routes. Use tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Rome to Rio to compare transportation options. If using budget airlines, check baggage fees and restrictions. For trains and buses, confirm schedules and book early for the best prices. Step 4. Plan your accommodations strategically. For short stays, opt for centrally located hotels or vacation rentals to reduce commuting time. If arriving late or departing early, stay near the airport or train station for convenience. Booking flexible accommodations with free cancellation can provide backup options if plans change. Step 5. Optimize your daily itinerary. Break down each city's must-see attractions and activities. Group sites by location to minimize unnecessary travel between them. Prioritize top sites and leave room for flexibility, allowing for spontaneous experiences or relaxation. Step 6. Pack smart for multiple climates. A multi-city trip often means different weather conditions. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered, and choose a lightweight carry-on bag to make transit between cities easier. Travel-sized toiletries and a portable charger can also be lifesavers during long travel days. Step 7. Prepare for currency and connectivity. If visiting multiple countries, check exchange rates and have a mix of cash and credit cards that work internationally. Download offline maps, translation apps, and any necessary travel documents to avoid connectivity issues. A well-planned multi-city trip can be an unforgettable experience. By organizing your route, booking transportation early, and optimizing your itinerary, you can explore multiple destinations smoothly and efficiently. With the right preparation, your journey will be seamless, stress-free, and full of incredible experiences.